We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone 17 screen not responding to touch. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really frustrating because you're then unable to go and use your iPhone 17. You may be concerned that it's broken, but hopefully with the help of this video, we're going to go and have the problem solved. So make sure you keep watching. So this is usually a software problem and we can fix it with a force restart. So we're going to guide you through how that can be done. We're going to need to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now keep that held down. Depending upon what's wrong with your iPhone, the screen may not go and change, by the way. It may just go and stay the same, but it may go and do what mine did there. Just keep that side button held down. We're only going to go and release it when we see the Apple icon, like that. So now it's going to go and be starting again and go and wait. Here it is. We can then swipe up and go and enter in the passcode, and that's it. Hopefully that solved it for you.